how you can upload 3D photos on your Facebook. Do you guys want to enable 3D photo feature on your Facebook app? If so, this video is for you. Now, if you are new to our channel, head down below first and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's start. First, open up your Facebook. And after you're on your Facebook, go to your menu section on the bottom right. And just scroll down till you find the settings and privacy. And after you expand it, tap on settings on the top. Now let it load for a while, and after it loads up completely, scroll down under preferences. Now under preferences, you'll see a lot of options, but the one we want is the media. Tap on media and scroll down till you see photos and video settings. And there is an option called reduce 3D motion. Tap on it and just toggle it on. And after you do that, go to your home page. Now just create a post and tap on post. Now here you'll need to add a photo. Now let us just select a photo. Now just select a photo, and after you select that, you will see an option that says make 3D. Tap on make 3D and it will take a while, but after that you will have created a 3D photo. Now as you can see, if you move it around, you move your phone around a bit, the picture will move. And after you do that, you can post it and you can add a fun caption to it too. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you enable a 3D photo feature on your Facebook app, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and leave a like down below. Bye bye, take care.